Hey everybody, Jay here. Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who have been tuning in for a long time now, you know that we built this beautiful play area behind us about a year ago, right at the start of the whole COVID thing. Since I was home, my wife and I just had our second child, so we decided to go through with this. We've been thinking about this since day one. But anyways, it's complete, it's awesome, but we saved some trees from there and we're finally going to the sawmill Tuesday. So today I'm going to show you what we have. Maybe we'll calculate how much board footage. It doesn't really matter to me. I'm milling it all no matter how it is. The logs have been sitting for a year. I'm hoping they're still good. I know you're supposed to mill green wood and dry it properly, but it is what it is. We couldn't get to the mill last year. Kevin was slammed. So anyways, let's hop on the tractor. Let's show you the pile. And yeah, let's have some fun loading it with the Kubota tractor. So stick around, should be fun. There we go, baby. Come on. All right, folks, so these are two logs here. We had a beautiful red maple out there, very tall. I wanted to keep it. It was right in the center of the play area, but we have one of those sections there. Then we have a pine section here. We had I think it was a 98-foot pine tree that we cut down. We have more sections down there, but I just wanted to show you these two. These are the two biggest, two heaviest. So hopefully they've dried for a year. Hopefully they're a little bit lighter. My Kubota struggled last year to lift these, but we'll see in a little bit. Can't quite get this log in, so we're gonna skid this one down a little bit. I had to hook the truck up because I didn't want to pull the trailer. Giant game of Jenga. go, baby. Right, so we got this pine log here, but I can't lift it all the way up, so we're only making shiplap, so we're gonna cut a couple feet off with the Echo here. I think we got one more pine that we can fit in here, and yeah, that'll be it. That was a lot of work. Let's show you how we kind of loaded it up. I had to cut. I'm making benches out of these, benches to sit on, so I didn't need the full length. So again, as you can see, we cut, you know, a foot off maybe each side. We'll burn those, so it's not like we're gonna waste it. We had to cut obviously some of the pine. The Kubota can't lift as much, but we got the hardwoods in there. That's my main concern. If this pine mills like crap, I'm just gonna do the 4 or 5 hardwood logs in there. Let's see, you got one. This one will be really cool. This one has a crotch in it, so I'm really looking forward to milling that one. That'll be neat. Again, the pine's gonna have some blue stain, but all I'm trying to do is make shiplap in the work shed, in the saw shed. You know, I just want to be able to say, if I have to stain it, maybe I'll burn finish it. I don't really care if there's blue stain in it. I'm gonna make, hopefully the shiplap comes out nice. My main concern, this is nice here, these red, this red maple here, this is nice. It smells good too. Again, bark's peeling right off, so it's been sitting for a year. That was a lot of work. That was dangerous. Don't try that at home. The Kubota BX is not the tractor to lift logs. It's good for other things, but it's not powerful enough to lift logs. But we got it somewhat loaded here. His Mahindra shouldn't have any problem lifting these. Let me rush you guys here. So yeah, like I always say, thank you guys for watching. We're gonna be heading to the mill Tuesday. Again, I'll bring you guys along. My main concern was the red maple. We had a beautiful red maple right in the center of the play area. I didn't want to cut it down, but my wife didn't want any trees out there, which was fine. Beautiful. It hurt me to cut it down, literally. It felt such a nice tree, but we're gonna make something out of it. All the pine here, this all came from our land. That's why I want to mill it. We have one big straight section of pine left that I couldn't fit. I don't know. I probably should have grabbed that one first. That one was in the best shape. But anyways, let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys for tuning in. I didn't record for a while there. I was just kind of getting frustrated. Time is money. Kids are napping. I only have, you know, an hour and a half to get this all loaded. But we'll, yeah, we'll see you guys at the mill. Thanks for tuning in. Let me know what you think. And yeah, we will, Tuesday morning we're going. So probably see that video Wednesday, Thursday. So stick around. Doing a ton of stuff here on the homestead. Sorry about the mechanical stuff. I know it's kind of boring. Oil changes. Yeah, whatever. Those of you who consistently tune in, thank you. So like I always say, enough jibber jabber. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think, and yeah, we will see you out in the woods.